What?
Hey guys, Goldfish here, and today we're going to be doing something interesting. It's called negative binary. Have you ever lost a negative sign in the middle of a math problem? Well, hear this. In negative binary, you don't have to use negative signs. Here's the negative binary code for 5. It's the same as the binary code. Here's the negative binary code for negative 5. Like this. No negative sign needed. But here's a quick review of binary. 2 dots in the ones box explode and turn into 1 dot in the twos box. There's one less dot, but the new dot is worth twice as much. That's 1 dot times 2 equals 2. In negative binary, we put 2 dots in the ones box, and this time they will explode and turn into 1 anti-dot in the negative twos box. An anti-dot is worth -1, but it's in the negative 2 box. So that's -1 times -2, which equals 2. Here is an example of what makes this so cool. Alright, the way this works is we have a ones box, a negative twos box, a fours box, a negative eights box, and a 16s box. And it seems odd because half of the boxes are negative. Why aren't all the boxes negative? That's simply because when you multiply a negative by a negative, it creates a positive. Okay, so the way this works is 2 dots on the right go to 1 anti-dot on the left. The same for 2 anti-dots on the right go to 1 dot on the left. And I'm making a lot of sound with these dots. So let's make a simple example. How about 2? 2 dots on the right go to 1 anti-dot on the left. And there, we're done. But the problem with this is it's an anti-dot. We want only normal dots. So we're gonna add 0. That's basically what we just did. We added a dot and an anti-dot, which together is nothing. So now we have 2 anti-dots. 2 anti-dots on the right go to 1 dot on the left. And there we have 1, 1, 0 for 2. That's 4 plus -2, which is 2. Alright, let's do a bit more of a more complicated of an example. How about -5? Now, our goal is to do a make a negative number without using any negative dots, without any anti-dots, just normal dots. So let's try this. 2 anti-dots on the right, go to 1 dot on the left, and repeat that process. And then 2 dots on the right, go to 1 anti-dot on the left. But now we have just anti-dots. We need to make these normal dots, so we're gonna do what we did last time by adding 0, but we're gonna add 0 to both of them. What this allows us to do is, I'm gonna do this 2 at once. 2 anti-dots on the right, go to 1 dot on the left. I really hope that didn't confuse anyone. So this makes -5, 1, 1, 1, 1. A -8 plus a 4 is a -4, and a -2 plus a 1 is a -1. Together that makes -5, because -4 plus -1 is -5, of course. So, let's try addition. Okay, alright, let's try 5 and -5. But we know that if we just combine them now, it's obviously going to cancel out. We're not going to do that. We're going to do the explosions first and all that. Wait. We're going to do the explosions first and all of that stuff. and then this. And I'm gonna say, I say that we go all the way. So, all right, so we have that, and on the down here we're gonna get this, then this. Okay, so we have our -5, which is 1, 1, 1, 1, and we have our 5, which is 1, 0, 1. Alright, so we're gonna add them by bringing the ones in the bottom box up to the top, even though we usually do top to bottom because, well, I messed up. 2 dots, of course, 1 antidot, and 1 antidot and 1 dot disappear. So 5 plus -5 is 0. Boom. You can learn more about negative binary by going to wiredthings.org and using the negative binary app. So that's all we have time for. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's just show you how insanely many times I said we're gonna cut this out in the bloopers. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. We might cut it out, we might not. I don't know. We might cut this out. I don't know. We're gonna cut this out. We have a lot of stuff to cut out. We're gonna cut this out. Hey guys, Goldfish here, and